Hello, Lomita. It's August already, and the real estate market has slowed slightly, but it really is as hot as ever. Stick around a few minutes and find out what that might mean for you. Now, the median estimated home sale price here in Lomita is $882,000, which is up 3.85% over last month. It's up 3.42% over the last quarter. It's still down 4.76% over the last 12 months, which remember is coming off the peak of last year. And it's still up 9.5% over the last 2 years and up a pretty good 24.15% over the last 36 months. In comparison, the median price in Los Angeles is $840,000. In California, it's $746,000. And for the entire country, it's only $351,000. If you want to find out what your home's worth right now, contact me and I'll send you a free report. Hello everyone, Steve Huhta here from HousesInSouthBay.com, bringing you the Lomita Real Estate Market Report for August 2023. Now please continue sending me your questions, and most of all, reach out and book an appointment to put together a plan that's right for your buying and selling needs. I'm here to help. Now, we know that prices going up and down is a factor of supply and demand. On the supply side, we only had 12 active listings here in July, with only 11 new homes coming on the market in July, which is kind of low for this time of year. On the demand side, it's actually pretty high. Check out the video link below to see more about current demand. But if you have a home for sale, there is still competition for it. Buyers are back in the market with 10 homes under contract, which is 11% higher than this same time last year. We also had 12 homes sold in July, so demand is high and it's pushing up prices. We can see the home values have been climbing since the beginning of the year. Now those 12 homes that sold range from this 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 808 square foot condo that sold for $480,000 to this 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath, 2,344 square foot home on a 5,799 square foot lot that sold for $1,250,000. Now, of those 12 homes that sold, 8 of them went for above asking price and 4 went below asking price. And so our team helped 2 buyers purchase 2 of those homes right here in Lomita that sold in July. Now remember, if you need help selling or buying a home, give me a call. On the topic of selling homes, correctly priced homes are selling rather quickly and many are getting multiple offers. In fact, average days on market is at 22 days, with half those homes selling in less than 12 days. Now, because those supply and demand numbers can be a little crazy, an easier way of looking at the supply and demand and how it balances out is with inventory months of supply, which right now is at 1.3 months of supply right now, which means if no new homes came on the market, we'd sell out of homes in about 6 weeks. So with increased demand and still limited supply, we believe prices will remain stable and even keep going up in most areas. If you want to get a better idea of the whole South Bay market, also you can check out that video. I'll link it below, and if you're watching on YouTube, there should be a little spot above you can click on that. I mentioned at the beginning what these numbers may mean for you. Well, for sellers, as you saw, demand for correctly priced homes is still high. And when I say correctly priced, I don't mean discounting. Use the data for your neighborhood and position your home to attract the most amount of buyers, to have them compete against each other. Pricing your home correctly will get maximum buyer competition. Also remember that in this market, preparing your home for sale can make a big difference in the sale price and how much money you put in your pocket after closing. That can range from simple decluttering to doing some deferred maintenance, simple repairs, and even some renovations. We're also seeing staging making a big impact on sale prices lately, so talk to your realtor about what might be right for your home and your neighborhood. Now, talking about your realtor, you need an active and aggressive agent to market your home properly to the most potential buyers, and one that keeps up on market trends and data. Kind of like I do with these videos. If you're looking to maximize the value of your home, reach out so we can put together a plan that's right for you. And for you buyers, it's actually a pretty good time. Buyer demand and competition is rising, but prices haven't jumped up yet to reflect that demand, so you could take advantage of that. We believe that prices will continue to rise in the long run, so it's probably a good time to buy before they go up any further. If you have concerns over uncertain interest rates, give me a call. We'll go talk to a lender about all the options available. In fact, most lenders I'm working with have programs to lower your interest rate the first 2 years and will refinance your loan for free for the next few years if rates go down. There are even programs to help you with down payment and closing costs. Just remember, do what's right for your family's budget and needs, but also remember to look at the long-term benefits of owning instead of being at the mercy and uncertainty of renting. Rents will continue to rise as long as there's demand for more housing. But when you buy, your monthly mortgage rate is locked in and will not change. Ask anyone you know that bought a home 20 or 30 years ago if they regret their decision. My guess is you won't find anyone. No matter the state of the economy, you still need a place to live and build memories with your loved ones. Would you rather be doing that while paying off your own home or paying off your landlord's home? Let's talk about your real estate goals for the year and send me your questions on buying, selling, or investing in residential real estate. Contact me so I can help. Bye for now.